afternoon, everyone. Mr. Romeo Mercado, President of the Forever Young Senior Society, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to thank Forever Young Senior Society, led by its President, for inviting the Philippine Consulate to be part of this wonderful event. It is always our pride and joy to be with the Filipino seniors who are here in Vancouver, because for myself, I feel that you are the ones that paved the way for the Filipino community to be a strong presence here. If not for you, the Filipino community would have not flourished as it is right now. Right now, we are already 150,000 in BC and about 90,000 in Vancouver metro area alone. So for that, I thank each one of you for taking care of our good name in the community and forever becoming a strong presence in the community as such. Thank you very much, po. At this point, I would like to thank the outgoing officers of the Society for their outstanding service to the seniors of Vancouver. The monthly social function at the Vancouver Aspen Club in Vancouver is indeed something which everyone looks forward to every weekend. It is a time where seniors gather and take the time to enjoy each other, talk, dance, and what have you. And for this, I am very, very happy that the Seniors Club is well and alive. And thanks to not only to the Forever Young Senior Society, but also to the other senior society, for whom the leaders are also here, the other leaders. I also thank the leaders of the Senior Society for building up and organizing the Confederation of Senior Society. It is indeed a welcome and a very welcome development for each one of you, because for myself, it is easier for me to go to a function where there is no conflict of schedule. By way of this Confika, you among yourselves have already talked how to schedule each one of your events. And of course, I would like to attend on behalf of the Philippine Consulate each one of your functions. So in this way, there is a show of unity for all even for the Filipino senior citizens of Vancouver. And for that, I am very proud to be here with you today. And to the new officers, my message is just a reminder that the office to which you have been elected is one of dignity and importance. In accepting this office, you have undertaken a responsibility which you should neither assume lightly nor carelessly discharge. You are charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objectives of the Forever Young Society. And with the Constitution and bylaws as your guide, you must be ever ready to exercise the functions of the office of which you are entrusted. For this, I wish you good luck. And in closing, I would like to, on behalf of the Philippine Consulate, wish everyone, mga tatay, mga nanay, Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat and a Happy New Year. And yes, may I pledge again the full support of the Philippine Consulate to each one of you. We have already instituted an appointment system for passports. But of course, as senior citizens, you have the privilege to come on you can just come anytime. And you don't have to make an appointment, and we will service your needs. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we will now proceed for the induction of the Forever Young Senior Society's newly elected officers and directors. As I call the name of the Forever Young Senior Society's officer, please come forward. I'll start with the Board of Directors. Lina Donesa. Dominga Garcia and Erlinda Abelardo in the Philippines. Juanita Lamot. Romeo Mercado. Dali Olvido. Giaman. We have Assistant Secretary Lulu Watson. Treasurer Angie Jimenez. Assistant Treasurer Aleli Garcia. We have the PRO, Lina Gregorio, but I don't think she's here right now. As well as with her assistant PRO, Teresa Dibayan. Auditor, Alice Manrique. Assistant Auditor, Francis Cantoria. Business Manager, Joy Gagnon. The Assistant Business Manager, she's not here. Her name is Josie Banis. F&B Manager, Rosalina Macuroy. Another F&B Manager, Lydia Resposo. We have the Membership Relations Officer, Carmen Rogelio, but she's not here at the moment. But we have her Assistant Membership RO, Elvi Plaza. We have another one project coordinator, Melinda Gonzalez, is not here. And then we have the project coordinator, Bilang Ursinio. And of course, the one and only Sergeant at Arms, Feliciano Sobredo. Ito po, sino pala yung mga guys dito. So, we would like to call on Consul Tejada to do the oathing.
So, are you ready to take your oath? Yes. May I ask you? I state your name. Having been elected to the position, state your position. Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Forever Young Senior Society. I further pledge that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I take this obligation freely without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, and that I will faithfully discharge the duties of the position. Everyone.
Significant event, and we would like also to congratulate the newly inducted officers. So now, ladies and gentlemen, in closing, let us hear an acknowledgement remark from our Forever Young Senior Society President, Romeo Mercado. Thank you.
The Honorable Rally Tejada, President and officers of different organizations, guest friends, and my fellow Forever Young. Today, we are not only celebrating Christmas, but we are celebrating the anniversary or the inception of our organization that took place 8 years ago. First off, let me offer my sincerest gratitude to our board of directors for their trust and confidence in handing me the responsibility of leader and non-partisan organization, the Forever Young Senior Society. The presidency of Forever Young is not a one-man job. The planning and initiatives we need to implement requires the collective efforts of all, not only within FY as well. We have many objectives for Forever Young, and as always, we will be dedicated and committed as ever, creating surprises instead of promises. There is only one promise that I made, and that was, I will never put Forever Young in harm's way. That I fulfill and will continue to fulfill. Meanwhile, our initiatives or our goal cannot be reached without the hard work and efforts of our officers or my teammate, the directors and officers of FYSS, and our loyal supporters and our loyal members. And on personal matter, I would like to thank our community leaders for their unwavering support, and to Forever Young and to yours truly. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, and indeed, it is a great privilege and honor to be your leader. Maraming salamat po sa kanan ng bawat taon sa inyo lahat. Maligayang Pasko. Mabuhay!